Hey, what's up, kings and queens? It's your girl Queen Beast back with another video for you, and you. And we have a pizza mukbang. I'm so excited, guys. I am so excited and I'm super hungry. My mouth is actually watering right now. Okay, this pizza has some pepperoni. I won't have any pizza without pepperoni. It has to have pepperoni or sausage. So pepperoni, I'm gonna have mushrooms on here as well, spinach, some cheese, some pasta sauce or pizza sauce. My mouth is watering. And we have some herbs on here. We have some tomato sauce, some cheese sauce on deck, and some mozzarella sticks. I'm gonna start with the mozzarella sticks because I'm so excited. I got this meal actually from a local pizza shop. And I'm just gonna get started right now with both this and some mozzarella. Ooh. The spinach is like a spinach herb. Wow. That's good. Wow. I wouldn't have thought, but this is good. So good. One thing about pizza, there's so many local like pizza shops that sell like really good pizza like this here. That would blow away Pizza Hut, Domino's. But I guess they just have more money. I'm gonna try the mozzarella sticks. I know I like this because this is all cheesy. I really do feel sorry for lactose intolerant people. I really do. Alright. I tried both of these. Now I'm gonna try it with some cheese. And look at this cheesiness. Wow. That is so good. A little piece of the pizza fell. This is good. That is so good, y'all. Wow. The cheese on cheese. Because this is pizza. It's so good. Ooh. And you guys need to check out coldest water bottle. Check the description. This is sparkling water, by the way. So good. Alright, now I'm gonna try some mozzarella sticks with this cheesy sauce. Ooh. So good. And you can tell these mozzarella sticks are made. It's not store-bought, like frozen or anything like that. See how it's like not perfect shaped? That's good right there. Oh, almost forgot. What's pizza without pepper flakes? Who likes eating their pizza like this? Let me know. With this here. I do. And of course, more cheese. More cheese. I had some butter here, but I don't think I'm gonna use the butter. I'm definitely gonna use the sauce, because sauce. Ooh, baby. Ooh, yeah. This is some good pizza. You know what? I just forgot, guys. I didn't even offer y'all some. I'm so sorry. Hold on. I got y'all. Let me try with some of this. Who would have thought? I really like this pizza. Really like it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all piece because I actually forgot to offer y'all, and that's so rude. My mama taught me better than that. Sorry, Mom. Taught me better. You guys would like some cheese with it? Sure? Sure. Just wrap it for you. Alright. I don't want it to fall, so here you go. Ooh, it's so bright. Here you go. Okay. How was that piece, y'all? Good? I'm glad you enjoyed. But I'm gonna enjoy these mozzarella sticks. I'm full now, y'all. I'm so full, y'all. So full. Whew. I think now after this, I'm gonna take me a long nap. So long that, yeah, I just can't believe it. But yeah, I'm gonna take me a good nap. But anyway, but anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Before I end the video, I'm gonna do my post notification shout out. Today's post notification shout out goes out to Tamia with an exclamation mark. Thank you so much, Tamia, for hitting that post notification. First, for subscribing, cause you real. Thank you for so much for subscribing, and also for hitting that post notification and continuously coming out and supporting your girl. Also, I want to give another person a shout out who is so sweet and so dear and such a sweet subscriber of mine. I'm going to give a shout out, a post notification shout out to Crystal, Marie, and DJ. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing and hitting that post notification. If you guys would like a post notification shout out, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the post notification, and just be one of the first few to literally come to the channel continuously right away. Once I post a video, and comment down below. What else can I say? Oh yeah, you guys know, I love you guys. So thank you so much again. Love you. You're perfect. You're beautiful. Peace.